Alright, so now I need to turn it on. Let it warm up for a few minutes. When it's warm, I'll take the standby off. Alright, so the amp has been warmed up a few minutes. The standby has been taken off for a few minutes. I have my multimeter ready to go. My positive, negative contacts, and my screwdriver ready to go. This is where I do it all. The bias is in the back of this particular amp. This is a 87 Twin Reverb. First year with the printed circuit board. Bias is on the left, balance is on the right. There's a hole in the middle, so I'll put the black in there and the red on the outside of each. The screw is the adjustment point for the balance and for the bias. It says right here, and inside the user manual, 0.04 volts for bias and 0 volts for the balance. Now 0.04, if I can do more numbers after that, 0.045 would be a perfect balance 0.04 volts, because 0.040 is only 1 away from being 3.9. Then we'll go to 40. 45 is exactly in the middle, because 4.9 is 1 away from 50, from 0.5. So if I can get this to 0.045 volts, I'll be a very happy man. I'll put the red in first on the outside, black in the middle. Alright, I'm reading 0.079. Bring that down. Point 6, 0.55, 0.49, 0.47, 0.46, 0.4, that's right on the edge there, 4546. It's the best I can do, it's the lowest it goes. Alright, 0.46. Certainly 0.04. Yeah, it fluctuates between 0.45 and 0.46. Real happy with that, that's good. Settling down at 4.5. Excellent. Okay, so next is put the red into the balance. That's on the right side. And that has to be set to 0 volts flat. I'll go ahead and do that. Zero volts flat, okay. Alright, 0.013, a little lower, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I'm going to let it sit for a moment. Let's see which way it needs to lean. Alright, it's a 10-second count and it's flat. 0 volts. Perfect. This amp is biased. I just want to mention one thing, that I did not have anything plugged into the amp. There's no signal, no guitar or anything like that when I did the biasing. Just going to power it down. Always be careful when working on amps, because they can be fatal if something wrong happens. A lot of power going through these. Alright, let's check these tubes. isolate my house, so I have everything like, it's on like a half. It's like off. I have the power tubes up to, I don't know, 4 preamp tubes up to a half. Right on. Some nice harmonics and the chords, all sorts of stuff. Even at no preamp, usually that's where you get good harmonics. Tap harmonics like I was doing in the chord would be in the preamp, because the 12AX7s would pick that stuff up. But I like to push my my power amps, my power tubes in the amp if I can. I always like power tube tone better. So I mean, at this low volume, I'm not running like a half, and I'm running like 3 3/4, basically 4. So I usually like to keep my, I'm sorry, the volume's here, 4. It's my reverb. I usually keep the volume, which is my power tubes, pretty high, like 8, even if I'm playing low. And this might be at 3 or 4 on my preamp tubes. Super clean tone, but yeah, right on. Good times.